slate in, let's roll for sound. Take one, marker.
What better way to give back to a field that I love than to bring a whole nother generation into it and teach them by my experiences. We look at each student as an individual and we try to deal with them as an individual with their needs. Not everybody learns the same, so you've got to be aware of that. Some people are book learners, some are visual learners, some are word association learners. I give my students a lot of the attention that they need, and then I also take time after I've done that to step back and give them the opportunity to show me that they absorbed it. And if they didn't, then I can go back in and say, okay, let's do this together again. And then now I'm gonna stand back and I'm gonna have you do it until you can actually feel confident about knowing what you're doing. There's a lot of things that we have in our program that a lot of schools don't have, especially with like the simulation lab, a lot of the hands-on. The healthcare field, the majority of it is hands-on. You can't be afraid of what you're gonna be doing to a patient out there. So that's why we have you learn hands-on so that you go out there and you're like, I've done that. Not that I've read about it, I've done it. They know they can come to Carrington and sign up and get a good education and go out into the field in a shorter time frame instead of having to go to school for the next 5 years. They're walking away from here prepared to go out into this field and shine. It's gratifying. It's a boost of confidence. That's how we boost ourselves as instructors. So the more successful our students are, the more successful we are. You know, so that's our whole goal. You want every student to be successful and enjoy it and love it as much as you do. My name is Tracy Turner, and I'm a medical assisting instructor at Carrington.